morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait, down and out for too long, and I ain't got too many options. Too fast, move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as
Day 6, halfway. Day 6 in Bali, and just woke up. It's 8:45 and I just came in and had a swim in the pool and it's so warm. I'm just gonna drink some water, some apple juice and these little mango shots. Plan of action today is get our nails done, probably get a facial, go to the gym. Haven't been to the gym all day, all holiday. Eat lots of food, explore. We got another scooter, we got a scoopy because the NMAX ones were too big, but then they actually are like safer. The brakes aren't very good on the scoopies. But yeah, cheers to halfway through my holiday and welcome to the vlog, guys. Sit back, relax and enjoy this vlog. So we just had a quick dip and woke up, and now we are gonna head to get some breakfast and start our day. So we just came to this little French cafe and we're in like a little garden area. It's really nice. It's 11 o'clock, so we're really hungry. We just got French toast and eggs and a juice, and then we'll probably get a coffee somewhere else, and then I think we're gonna hit the gym, get a good session in, booty pump, and then get our little girls' day done, some nails and some massages. Yeah, so it's really nice and hot today, which is nice. I want to see fat boys at the gym. Here to noon, and we're gonna get coffee because there's really good coffee here and a ginger shot because we're gonna keep our health good because we have a big weekend of partying coming up, and then we're gonna head to a gym in Seminac and then see where the day takes us. Oh, I like it. Thank you. Can you do this donut? Yes, this is the best coffee. Made it to Lewis Fitness, yay, in Seminac, but when we were driving there was like police like pointed out at us like to stop, and it's because we didn't have helmets because we're out of like the tourist area, and like everyone around here had helmets because like there were main roads. So pray for us, manifest. We're gonna get home with no fines.
We'll outrun them on our little scooter.
live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait.
Just finished our leg session at Lewis and Fitness and Friends. It was pretty good, like for what I was expecting, like a gym. But yeah, it was really nice to just get a bit of a booty pump. And now we're just gonna drive home, fingers crossed we pass no cops. Head home, and I'm not sure really what we're going to do, but I'll update you guys when we do. Guys, we manifested it. We got back to Canggu with no fine. We took like the back roads, and now we are just at Kokomo, and we're just getting some post-workout. Got a chicken burger and a coffee, and Kristen got a smoothie bowl and a coffee. Oh, thank you
so much.
Oh, it looks so pretty. We just got free mango. They came out and asked if I made vlogs, and I said, yeah, I travel vlogs. And I said, tag them. So if you're in Canggu, Kokomo, they're so nice. Everyone in Bali is so grateful to have like tourists back. Like they're like, thank you for coming. Like we'll see you tomorrow. Like when we went to New Cafe this morning, they were like, you came back, thank you so much. And they were like, we just came for coffee. They were like, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, it's really humbling. Good morning, guys. It is, well, afternoon now. It is 12 o'clock and we are on our way to Ubud, and we're going to go to the swing. We went out last night to Da Maria and it was so much fun. We were there till like 2 o'clock and there was like so many people dancing, and it's just like such a better, like so much better nightlife over here. Like there's no rules, people smoking in the club, like no one checks ID, security just lets you do whatever you want. So yeah, it was so much fun. Got home at like 3:30 and had a chicken burger and passed out. But yeah, now we're on our way to Ubud and we're driving there, and we're gonna go to the swing and maybe do a few other things. But yeah, I'm really excited. We've made it to Ubud and we drove to like a swing, but it was like not one we wanted to go to. We wanted to go to the one of the rice terraces, so we've come to that one now. But it's 2 o'clock and we're starving. We haven't had any food, so we've just come to this cafe and ordered some food, but we're really not sure what we've ordered because their English isn't the best. I mean, I think I'm getting chicken rice and carrots, but we'll see. But yeah, and then we're gonna go on the espresso shot to wake us up. So we made it to the swing and we're about to do the extreme super swing, which looks really fun, so hopefully we get some cool photos.
And then the couple swing.
Yeah, we do a couple swing together. Oh, not ready. That's so sick. We have just come to another beach club in Ubud, Omar, which my brother recommended because they came, and it's right on a waterfall. We love it. So we are back in Canggu now, and we're just having burgers, and we're just gonna book our next villa. So we have something a bit different, but yeah, today was so much fun. Omar was like the sickest beach club I've ever been to. I really want to go back, but yeah, today was so much fun, and yeah, we're just gonna book a villa, have burgers, and go to sleep. But we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.